Welcome to this informational video about the zoom on my drone or the video it can capture. I've received questions, so I figured why not make a video to explain. Welcome to an inside look at the 28 times zoom I use when capturing footage for my videos. The zoom feature on a camera opens new abilities and possibilities for creators. The raw power of the 28 times hybrid zoom on the Mavic 3 by DJI is awesome. I've flown this drone for over 2 years and use the zoom in practically every video I upload to YouTube. At 28 times zoom, the picture leaves room for improvement. The full zoom's picture is grainy but still usable depending on the subject matter and audience you are getting the footage for. But the Mavic 3's zoom is more than just a tool for capturing stunning visuals. It's also a powerful asset for surveying and inspecting structures, with the ability to zoom in on the tiniest details to identify potential issues, monitor progress, and ensure the ongoing safety and integrity of vital pieces of infrastructure. The Mavic 3's zoom capabilities offer a unique and invaluable perspective. The Windsor Ontario locations I'm shooting these examples from is approximately 300 feet above Dougall Avenue and Eugine and 300 feet above the Crawford and College Ave area, and I'm using the camera's auto settings and minimal post-editing, basically like a point-and-shoot camera. The Gordie Howe International Bridge is a marvel of modern engineering that is poised to transform the region in many beneficial ways. With the Mavic 3's 28 times zoom, we can see the bridge's cable-stayed design in stunning detail, from the graceful curves of its towers to the intricate web of cables that support its deck. We can make out the heavy cranes at the leading edge of the Canadian and US bridge decks. Is that crane on fire? Don't get too excited. The crane on the American side is not on fire. This effect is caused by the zoom recording a flame stack from a Zug Island in the background. I just happened to be at the right place to catch this shot. You can't always believe what you see. However, it is a testament to the creative ability of the 28 times zoom in capturing effects otherwise not possible. Another example would be the parallax effect of the subject and background of a scene appearing to move at different speeds. Zoomed into the tower top, I rotate the drone around the tower and the clouds in the background appear to move at a different speed. It creates a cool impact for viewers, like you. I'm a relatively new YouTuber, learning with each video I create. There is a never-ending learning curve to become a decent videographer or creator on YouTube or any other platform. This couldn't be a better time to thank everybody for watching and subscribing to the channel as I fumble forward to create better content. To sum up, the DJI Mavic 3's 28 times zoom is a gateway to a new way of experiencing and capturing the world around us. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this remarkable drone offers the power to explore, discover, and capture the beauty and complexity of our environment like never before. Like and subscribe. I appreciate you all. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.